Morning, guys. Week 2, day 5. Getting ready to head out. It's starting a little bit slow, and we'll just wait and see what happens. I can't trip out, you know. It's a shitty week this week because of what's going on in the city, so just gotta be patient and see what's going on. I haven't had any orders. I had orders, but not really good orders, so I did not really pick them up. Yep, get ready to head out. Just took a shower, about to make some breakfast, and then I head out to go get this going. We are on 1100 plus already, so we're still on our goal. We're still facing, 2 more days? Today, tomorrow, Sunday. 3 more days. Hopefully we hit our mark, 1500 to 2000. So yeah, I'm ready to go out. Like the video, sub to the video, drop your comments down below. If you're dealing with this fire, again, I say God's healing upon you. I send God's healing, God's love upon you, and I just wish you all the strength you need. I know these times are hard, but we gotta keep going, and yeah, things are gonna change soon, and I hope it's for the best. All right, guys, let's go. Bye. All right, guys, I'm here, about to get in and start this. I got another order. All right, about to start this. Always check the eggs. Alright, boys, almost done with this right here. This one. Alright, let me see here. We got 3 orders, all processed, 51. In and out. Thank you. I'm about to get another order. What's going on? Did I just get an order and miss out on it? Oh, my internet's tripping. Internet's tripping. I just got an order, but I can't see it. Okay, there we go. It's coming in. Bro, the internet's... I'm not taking that. Thanks, guys. Alright, first delivery of the day. If you guys notice, every time I get order, 1 out of 2 is a purple heart. That's what I mean when I tell you, you're gonna get more orders, and they already know who you are, so they trust your work, and they're gonna give you more tips. Alright, guys, let me just teach them how to do this real quick. So if you have to deliver the order with the medicine, you just scan the ID. That's it. You verify, you click acknowledge, and then you give them to sign, and that's it.
Okay. Wow, you have all the fancy stuff.
Yeah. I'm educating these kids to do it, so I don't have to do it no more.
Yeah.
I've done enough.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Exactly.
Take a photo.
That's really cool. What you put on TikTok?
TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, good. I hope it blows up.
Oh, yeah. It has to. There's no choice.
Right, exactly.
There's no choice.
No other option.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I did my time.
I
All right, Mama.
appreciate you.
Have a good one.
Stay safe.
Get well soon, huh? All right, boys, and that's it. We're done. Time to find more orders. See what we can get here. It's 1:56, about to be 2 p.m. Ooh, I have an order waiting for me. Oh, no, this is a good order. I'll take that shit. Just got 3 orders. About to head to the store. All right, gotta do these orders. Hello. Afternoon. Just got another order. It's a large order, but I think this might be crazy. I hope it's not crazy. This is 4 to 5, so I'm gonna do this first and go and come back. Done with this shit for sure.
It's like the boy who cried wolf at this point. They gotta stop.
What happened?
The alerts that are going on.
Oh yeah, they're just making
I know.
people panic.
Exactly. And then if there's, God forbid, there's a real one, they're gonna be like, oh, I don't think so. Third one I got today.
What is it saying? Evacuate?
Yeah.
Run? Never look back? Turn into salt when you do? Time to pick up my orders. I don't know. I have a bundle of 3. I don't know if I want to add another one. I might go do this order right now, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go do this order right now before I head up and then come back. I'm getting my ass kicked right now. I have how many orders? Let me see here. I have about 6 orders. Yeah. Let's get out of here. You don't have drugs? Yeah, I don't. I don't have.
Can I help you?
Hey, I have your order.
Sorry, which order is that?
Target. Ben?
Oh my god. Wait a minute. Aren't you in San Diego?
San Diego.
How is that possible?
This is 2001
No,
San.
that is the wrong location. No.
No, man. I'm at 2001 San Cerdo Drive, Beverly Hills, 90210.
No. I put in a different delivery address.
It's not possible if that
No.
brings me here, ma'am.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to cancel the order then. That's not the address I put in.
I'm not able to cancel it because it's already processed and I'm already here, so I'm not able to cancel it. The order is already processed from the store.
Okay, so yeah, I have my housekeeper there right now. You could just leave it on the other side of the gate.
All right.
It's hard like a bullet from a gun. Won't somebody tell me what the hell is going on?
Time to pick up new orders. I'm back right on time to do these 4 orders. I have 4 orders on. I've been getting a couple tips, huh? Nice. I just had an issue. I took an order to this lady's house and she's put the wrong address. It's supposed to be San Diego. She's mad at me for bringing the order to her house. I'm like, man, this order. You put the address, man. I didn't. But, you know what I'm saying? But it's time to get this done.
Hold on, cause the earth is turning, stars shooting and forests burning. The savior is not returning.
I'm done with all this stuff, bro. I'm doing all 4, I believe. 1 more left in my hand. 5 items. I need to call this lady.
That stuff is made from. This is it. This is matter.
Busy out there. We're done. Thank you very much. 30 minutes. All right, bet. I might make it. Yeah.
Made from. This is it. This is matter over mind. A white light. Time's lost, slipping out through open hands. Find out where the holy mountain stands.
Kathy? Hey.
Thank you.
Let me take a quick photo. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Have a good one. Take care. Might be late with one of these orders. I got 6 minutes to deliver 2 45s. People taking too long to just figure stuff out, man. But it's all good. Gotta go. Damn shit. Time to pick up more orders. I'm definitely gonna be late with these 2 orders. I don't want to drop it off just cause fuck it. I'm getting orders, but they're just shitty ass orders, bro. They're shitty ass orders. Look at that. Got some orders, but I didn't pick them up because they weren't good orders. I think I see how one more scene there. Oh man, things are not looking good, bro. People are still paranoid and terrified and getting and evacuating. Bro, fire is not at your crib, man. What are you evacuating for? I don't understand these people. By the way, the best football I ever watched. You know. Something. Last night, I about to drive home. Pinchy homeless guy start a fire by a house. They're the ones starting this shit. They're the ones. They hate their life, huh? So they say, fuck it. They're the ones doing it. They're the ones starting. I almost whoop his ass, huh? I go to turn the fire. I go to stop. I say, what are you doing? This. Call the police. Mira, pinche pole. I whoop his ass. I don't care about no police.
Why you have a, so you can shine me? You
Huh?
put a diamond on your
Oh, yeah. So they can see me at night, right? So they can see me at night. Hey, what happened? No thanks, bro.
Your total is $4.99.
Yeah, man.
Please select your pay. Please
You got a
wait.
plan.
System processing. Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
No, man. I don't want
Please
that.
select your payment method. Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions
wait.
on the pin pad.
Go get this shit done. Get this shit done. Always wash this bitch, you know what I'm saying? I used to wash this, so I wash it quick. Man, I haven't had this in so long. I used to have this every fucking day. I just craved this shit today. Got my cocoa on top. Nice. Now we got our delicacy. Ready to go. That's what we call fruit bowl yogurt. One of my favorite snacks right here. One of my favorite desserts. Time to find more orders. A little bit slow today, but not bad. Can't really complain with what's going on out there. Just got an order. Purple Heart, Desiree. I know where she lives. There's gonna be a bunch of cat food and stuff. Alright, let's get this shit done and get out. An hour and a half left to go.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Are you talking to me?
Is there anyone else standing around here?
Oh, what's up? I smell cereal though. I got you, ain't it? I got you.
Does it smell bad though?
Huh?
Does it smell good or bad?
Horrible.
No, for real, like actually.
Fruity Pebbles. I smell. Guess what I smell? Cereal. I'm just kidding, all right? No, I'm for real. What's up, brody? Excuse me, madam. I need help, please.
What do you need, sir?
How you doing? It's you working hard, huh? You don't know what's crazy? I had a dream about you last night,
Oh, really?
but that was not a good dream.
Did I die?
No, I don't kill people. We got married.
That's a nightmare then.
For who? For you? No, I'm telling you. So this is wait. What?
It's a nightmare.
This is your job?
That's it. Yeah, I have to fix everything.
Just organize everything?
Yeah, you want help? Here. Help me. I have to do all the sections.
I'll help you.
What's your question, sir?
I was just fucking with you. Well, you're doing a great job. Yeah. I'll put you on the front cover of the magazine, January edition. All right? Good job, Alexis. Nah, I'm just kidding, bro. I didn't have no dream about that, girl.
White light shining brighter than the sun. Off track like an asteroid on the run. New skin, but it's so
Done with it. All three. Look at that. All three done. Boom. We out of here. Shit, no good. How you doing, huh? The fire didn't get to you guys, right?
No.
The bottom one.
And this one?
With this, yeah. Alright, Brody, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, man. I'll pass. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. Hello, sir.
got
Delivery
delivery?
3 or 4.
Yeah, come on in. You can leave it right on the trolley over here if you like, okay?
Okay,
Do
okay.
you need them to sign anything for you or anything?
No.
Okay. How you doing today?
Good. Hello.
Yeah,
Hey.
yeah, sorry buddy, the door's locked. It's safe.
Oh.
It's not personal, so.
I kept hearing birds and I thought you were buzzing it. But it's just something against the wall.
That speaker.
Yeah, so I
like a
can't bring it.
static, yeah?
I thought you were buzzing it.
Like your hat, buddy.
Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Okay,
Happy New Year, huh?
out there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No more fire, man.
Let's hope not.
It's over. No, we don't hope. We know.
Yes, that's right.
It's over.
Okay.
Yeah. We turned it off. Have a good night. Yo, Hey, we don't hope, nigga. We know. All right. One more hour. We done. We drop orders early, so search and see what they put in while we're shopping. Give me one order. Is this Broadway? I don't think so. Damn. Huh?
DoorDash doesn't let me order.
Oh, really? Maybe because of the fire? What is this? Neutral room? What are you?
On a trim?
What I mean? Neutral room. Maybe it's outside? Is it maybe outside? Huh? Oh, look. Yeah, it's this one.
So you didn't eat me. You didn't even
No. No, I did. I found it. Thank you very much. No, but I need goalie though. A3. Yeah. She got me. Blame her. It's her fault. I'm from Africa, Mama. We run from cheetahs and hyenas.
You know what? You just told me you were not from Africa.
Oh, I'm from Sinaloa. We run from cartel and.
They're gonna fuck you up in a minute.
Hey, you know my name is Chapopote, man. That's my name in Sinaloa.
Let me see.
My little brother, mira, pinches champurrado. Yeah, they know us.
Do you know what a champurrado is?
Oh, yeah, I know.
What is it?
It's a drink.
They lied to you.
No, it is. It's a white drink.
No, it's not white.
What is it?
Why you gotta be racist?
Yeah, no, it is
It's
a
not
white.
white?
It's a white
It's
drink,
not
champurado.
white. It's not white.
What is it? Brown?
Yeah. They lied to you.
Look white to me.
Everything is white to you.
Yeah. If it's not white, it's blanco. All right, thank you very much. Maybe one more, okay?
No more.
One more. Time to pick up last orders for the night. I don't know if they're gonna drop more orders. It don't look likely though. More orders getting dropped in the dome, but I don't see any orders. It's how all orders around the city, but where I am, Alright guys, I'm done for the night. The night is over. Today was a good night. Today was a good day. Not long, not too crazy. They don't know what I made today because I don't really like checking what I made. As you can see, it's only saying $5. But when I go upstairs and refresh, it's gonna tell me how much I made. So I ain't even tripping. I hope everybody had a good day. I sure did have a good day. A little bit smoking gas, but you know, you gotta be thankful to God. It's over though. I know some people might think this is hectic. I know some people might think this is hard to do. But you gotta remember there are people doing worse, bro. There are people doing way worse to make money, bro. It's like, you gotta pick and choose your battles, you know? Or if not, you're just gonna keep complaining and complaining. We all wanna make money, but we all wanna make money easy, you know? So that's the goal, that's the idea. You want your money to make money for you while you're asleep. That's the point we're all trying to get to escape this matrix. So I just wish everybody the best. Week 2, day 5, and I hope everybody's setting up goals for themselves on how much they want to achieve every day and every week. So the goal every day is for me 250 to 300, and as you can see, like yesterday I made almost 450. So it just depends, man. It depends on how much work you want to put in and how good you organize your work every day. So I just want to wish everybody the best. If you were affected by this fire, I wish God bless you and protect you. And Father, I thank you so much for another beautiful day. God, I thank you for the protection on the road. I thank you for clearing out the situation of the fire and having all these firefighters help us out. Lord, those people that came from prison, those that came from out of town, those that came from different parts of the world to help with this situation, God, we say thank you. May you bless them. For families that are disposed without a house, God, Lord, I pray may you guide them and may you lead them to better situations, that they will live a better life and they will see your glory and they will love you even more. But I want to thank you for my family in Africa. I want to thank you for everybody that I know. Those dead, those are alive, Lord Jesus, may you continue to help us all. May you guide us and lead us and control whatever we're in charge of, Lord Jesus. You are the leader and you're the one in control. We have no lead, we have no view without you, God. And I say thank you so much. With you, all things are possible, Lord. And I say, may your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Be thou exalted, be thou glorified. For your name I pray, amen. Alright, guys. This is another great day. We're on week 3, day 2. Week 3. I'm fucking done. We're on week 2, day 5. This is crazy. Week 2, day 5. I'm about to go upstairs, check it out, and see how much we made for the day. I'm excited to see it. And hopefully I crack 250 to 300. But sub to the video, like the video. Put your comments down below how you're doing, how you like doing SHIPT. If you hate it, what do you need to get better? Let me know. Follow my Instagram down below in the description. And I'll see you upstairs. Bye! Alright guys, it's the end of the night. Finally home, took a shower. Regular routine. Now I'm about to take a look, see how much we made for the day. But we call it a night. So let's go here. Let's see our stats first. We didn't lose any points, thank God. On time, we lost 2 points. We on 98 and we on 100. So we still good. Focus on that. We're still good on this bad boy. So that's good. Let's go see how much we made today. 1406. 260. Okay. We almost hit 300 mark today. Not bad. Not bad. Remember the goal. 250 to 300. That's the goal daily. So we're still on our run to go and hit $2,000 mark on a weekly basis. Right now we are on 1,400. We have Saturday and Sunday to go. So we're still gonna hit that mark. I know it was gonna come. So hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's not gonna be easy, but we have to keep pushing. We have to keep going. We need that money in the bank. We have to keep going. The next obligation is to go to the next level, which is having our money work for us. So we gotta keep going with what we have. I'm gonna keep showing you guys the little hoax here and there of how I make this every day. And yeah, it's easy, but you have to put in the work. So love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.